Well, I went to go work on the bus today and found these two out there. Somebody chucked them out a car window. We get that a lot where I live. Anyway, there's one. Where's the other? There's the other. They're black. And so the camera's having trouble focusing on them. There she is. Two girls. And a hisser. Well, you're a hissy one, aren't you? You silly little thing. Your sister doesn't hiss that much. She actually likes me. See? She doesn't hiss as much. This is also the adventurous one that this was the first one to come out of the bathroom and wander around the house. Chicken shit here stays underneath the toilet until she gets hungry, and then she eats. Oh, the joys of living in the country. People abandon their animals out there on the street, and hell, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cats, and about that many dogs too. Yeah. Is he gonna hiss again? Hiss again? There you go. Hiss, hiss. You poor little thing. I've already held her and petted her, and she knows who I am. She's just being ornery.